address, one report, 5 to 7 minutes. Now let's run one live. You're going to go to your account just to confirm, and you're going to go to your credit balance. Let's pull that up real quick. Your account will show up. You'll scroll down. You'll see your available credits, your free promo credit, your Q&AI, and your risk score. So you're going to go ahead and use now. It's going to take you straight to your generate report section. You can always access it here at Get Your Report. And for the fun of the video, for content creation, let's go to this website called Random List. Let's just do this a couple times. Let's just pick some random address. Okay, boom. Saying Chula Vista. Let's go to now realtor.com. Let's find an address in Chula Vista, California. Just for the fun of it. Why not? This looks like a nice house. This is one of the first ones. Let me get this address. Obviously, you'll put your address, the address that you're looking at, different properties, etc. But for the sake of the video, we're going to choose 1040 2nd Avenue in Chula Vista, California. We're going to go here, copy and paste it, wait till it loads, and see how it shows up. So I'm going to choose this one, the 2nd Avenue with the second spelled out. Make sure that's correct. If that doesn't go properly, then I want to choose the other one. Good little debug that you see live. And then if you don't have Q&AI, if you want to use it once you use the demo, you can upgrade and buy one. If not, just come back to it later, and then you'll generate a report. You'll see that process, and it takes about 5 to 7 minutes for the report to generate, because we're pulling from not only 5 federal databases, but we're also pulling third-party data. So you saw the indicator. It says here, report submitted successfully. Now we're gathering fresh data from federal sources and building your complete property risk report. This takes about 5 to 7 minutes because we're compiling your report section by section for maximum accuracy. We don't use stored old cache data. We'll email you the moment it's ready. You can view it in your account. So if you click on the account, you'll see here, you'll scroll down, and it's in process, it's in queue. When it does show up, it'll come up right here. It says you haven't generated any reports yet. So that's all for this email. Next video, while that report's getting generated, let me show you a bit about what are risk scores.